Acute respiratory distress syndrome, known as ARDS. To test your knowledge, watch this video along with nclex short number 7 as linked below. Acute respiratory distress syndrome, known as ARDS, occurs when fluid builds up in the tiny elastic air sacs called alveoli in your lungs. The fluid keeps your lungs from filling with enough air, which means less oxygen reaches your bloodstream. Therefore, your healthcare provider will hear crackle sounds upon examination. ARDS typically occurs in people who are already critically ill or who have significant injuries. Severe shortness of breath, the main symptom of ARDS, usually develops within a few hours to a few days after the precipitating injury or infection. Many people who develop ARDS don't survive. The risk of death increases with age and severity of illness. Of the people who do survive ARDS, some recover completely while others experience lasting damage to their lungs. If this content was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share with someone that might find this useful. Happy studying!